Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope so guys you are also fine. In this video viewers I am sharing amazing paper art craft ideas and viewers आप मेरी इस वीडियो को पसंद करेंगे। बहुत ही खूबसूरत और अमेजिंग से पेपर आर्ट आइडियाज़ आज आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं इस वीडियो में। व्यूवर्स हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और बताइएगा कमेंट बॉक्स में कि आपको हमारी तमाम आइडियाज़ कैसे लगते हैं जो हम आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत से डिज़ाइन। You can like this beautiful ideas that I am share with you. Subscribe this channel, and viewers I hope so you like this beautiful ideas that are very beautiful and new, completely different to each other. Viewers you can like this video and that are completely different to each other. Hope so viewers you like my video. तो फ्रेंड्स हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा एंड दैट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल अमेजिंग आइडिया। You will like this beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other. Hope so guys you will like this beautiful and new amazing trends I am sharing with you. Subscribe this channel, and viewers you have to enjoy this video, new and elegant ideas. Subscribe this channel, and that's I share with you beautiful different designs. So guys you like my video and new different ideas that's very beautiful and new amazing looks of paper art designs. Viewers subscribe this channel, and friends you will like this video and you can enjoy this video that are completely different to each other, amazing ideas. And friends you will enjoy this video that's very beautiful new amazing ideas and that are looking so beautiful, new and trending ideas. Thank you viewers to watching this video at the last. I will meet you next time, and that's our very beautiful and uniquest ideas I'm share with you. Hope so viewers you will like this beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other and you can enjoy